Damn. Hey boys, wait, hey guys. So, today, well, I should say, my dad, he was like, you want a keypad lock? And I'm like, yeah, I guess. And he said, well, the number one button is like stuck. So I haven't seen this thing, and I'm about to review it with both of you. What am I talking about? All right. Okay, so I'm limited to how much room I have because I'm building a PC. So here we go. So it's just in this box. Okay, this is the door knob. Here is. Okay, here's the. Oh. Number one fell off. Okay, here's the instruction man. Oh, there's a key. Okay, so here it is. This is the lock. It's okay, so it has. Oh, geez. So it has. Focus, please. Thank you. It has. Okay, so that's missing. And then. Well, here's. Okay. Oh my god. Does it take batteries? Oh, yeah, it does. Huh. Okay. Hold on. Okie dokie. So, this is the lock. And then I want to see if I can put the one back in there. I think there's like a part missing. Yeah, I think there's a part missing. I mean, okay. Now, wait, okay, so where does this connect? So what? Okay, so there's a 4-pin connector. Oh, I see. And it connects right here. Is it stuck in there? Hold on. Door? Okay, so instead I'm just going to go ahead and take off my door assembly right here, and I'm gonna do a before and after. So this is before, and okie dokie. So I just went out and bought the lock, or the latch. So now let's put it in, shall we? Okay, this is the door handle. I'm gonna turn on the hall light here. Okay, and I'm gonna take out the door. So I'll quickly do that, and yeah. Okay, so we just took out the doorknob. Now let's pull this out. This is the old lock, and this is the new lock. So what we want to do is whenever this door shuts, you want it to be able, so you want it like this, because like you can see, it's gonna shut. But if you had it the opposite direction, not much happens. So we're gonna put it this way, and now we are gonna grab the lock, put that in, and I'll get back with you guys. Okay, update. I got the part on. It's kind of hanging on by this little screw here. I need to put this on real quick, so yeah. Okie dokie, we got it on. The door feels a lot more heavy now, but what I realized is add hits there. Though we have a bit of a torque-ish problem here, but I think we can fix it. Okay, alrighty. Well, that works. I think that just might be something. Okay, so I'm gonna go switch this around, and I'll see you guys in a second. I don't know if I said this, but this is not lining up with the latch. So this is lower for some odd reason. So now there's this insanely stripped screw that I don't know why I didn't get it on a video, but I didn't. And now I need to figure out how this comes out. Okay, so now we should hopefully see a bit of a change. Please work. Oh no. Okay, well, I have an idea. All right. This took forever. So now we're gonna change the passcode. I don't exactly know how to do that, but we'll see. Okay, there is now literally a $120 lock on my door, according to my father. So, close the door. You say, like, oh poopy, it's dark. Got a light up. So my code is got in. And then the programming code is programming code. If you want to cancel it, yeah. Switch is on the, or the handle is on the right side. And if you want, you can flip this knob and then shut the door. And you can just open the door. But then you have it locked, and then you're like, oh poopy, I don't remember maybe. And it does that. So then you have to plug in your key, and then you can twist, and you're in. So I think it's cool. I like it. I don't know your opinions. Leave your opinions in the comment. Yeah, I get it's over, but that's pretty much it. So I hope you enjoyed this weird installation, and peace.